I've been visiting the University of Florida here as a guest of Professor Brecht, and it's been an absolutely fascinating day what we've seen today. We've covered scientists that are working on food safety in the trade, scientists that have been working on measuring the headspace that comes out of tomatoes and avocados when you pull a small vacuum on it. Absolutely fascinating what goes on here at the university. UC Davis and University of Florida, under the Specialty Crops Initiative, were able to do a number of side-by-side trials with strawberries, where they looked at a number of different pallet covers and to evaluate how well modified atmosphere packaging via pallet covers worked on strawberries. One of the processes was TransFRESH's Tectral atmospheres. What we were able to derive out of that study was that there was value in terms of reduced decay after several days after the product arrived and been removed from atmosphere. And then what became the commercial responsibility, or TransFRESH's responsibility, was to take that research and be able to apply it and make economic sense to the retail trade. So we were able to develop what we call the Tectral calculator that values our service relative to the improvement in quality on fresh strawberries when they're shipped across country.
We're using packaging to contain the respiratory gases that the fruit produces and allow the oxygen to decline as the fruit takes it in and the CO2 to increase within the package as the fruit lets it out. The benefit of that is that it supplements temperature, which of course is very important, but by further allowing the atmosphere to be modified, you can add to the temperature benefit. What the center is a collection of the scientists in the College of Agriculture here at the university who work in areas that all relate to the ways in which we get food from the point of production to the consumer. And this group of people who make up the center, we work together on projects primarily with industry. So what we're trying to do is work in a team manner, an interdisciplinary manner with industry, so that when we look at new technology or new practices, we're always looking at it from the different aspects of our different members, so that we see the importance of what we're working on both upstream and downstream of the specific area. Something that we think is unique about our center is the way in which we relate to the agriculture industry. Our center's advisory board is made up of retail companies, and the advisory board helps us to set our priorities for our research and also gives us feedback while research projects are underway. That allows us to give the companies that we work with who develop the technology a chance to have interaction and feedback from their ultimate customers.
I would encourage the entire industry to spend time on a campus seeing what is being done at the research level to improve the quality of food that we eat, improve the safety of the food we eat, and basically improve the taste of the food that we eat. Absolutely fascinating.